I think this is a very special day for me. I'm very much honored to be here with you today. Let me remind us all that today is the World Day of Peace. And I think that you are all, I believe that you are all the best protector of our peace and our security. What I've seen today was great performance of your skills and your dedication. So I've also heard from your officers, commanders, that the whole cooperation between all members of this operation was excellent. So I would like to congratulate you, to your officers, to all you, for all you have achieved in the past days, and for this excellent cooperation, as I said, because this is what makes you and us very strong. If we can cooperate, if we can be together, we are much more effective and efficient in protecting our peace and security. So thank you again, and all the best in the future.